वो कहाँ चली गई? Where did she go? Where did she go? आप किसे ढूंढ रहे हो? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? उसने बताया था वो कहाँ जा रही थी? Did she say where was she going? Did she say where was she going? वो थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर गई है. She stepped out for a bit. She stepped out for a bit. क्या उसके पास उसका फोन है? Does she have her phone? Does she have her phone? वो कब तक वापस आएगी? When will she be back? When will she be back? क्या वो किसी जरूरी काम से गई थी? Did she go for some important work? Did she go for some important work? क्या उसके साथ कोई गया था? Did someone go with her? Did someone go with her? नहीं, वो अकेली गई थी. No, she went alone. No, she went alone. मैं बस निकलने ही वाला था. I was just about to leave. I was just about to leave. क्या कोई जरूरी काम है? Is there some urgent work? Is there some urgent work? हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? मैं आपके साथ चलूंगी. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. आप मुझे इंतजार करने के लिए कह रहे हो क्या? Are you asking me to wait? Are you asking me to wait? नहीं, चलो अब चलते हैं. No, let's go now. No, let's go now. तुम्हें आने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to come. You don't need to come. अगर आपको जरूरत होगी तो मैं आ जाऊंगी. I'll come if you need me. I'll come if you need me. कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैं ठीक हूँ. No need, I'm fine. No need, I'm fine. मुझे थोड़ा चक्कर आ रहा था. I was feeling a bit dizzy. I was feeling a bit dizzy. आप ठीक हो? अब कैसी तबीयत है आपकी? Are you okay? How are you feeling now? Are you okay? How are you feeling now? क्या आपने कुछ खाया? Did you eat something? Did you eat something? क्या आपने आराम किया? Did you rest? Did you rest? आपको कब से ऐसा लग रहा है? How long have you been feeling this way? How long have you been feeling this way? मैं डॉक्टर को बुलाऊं? Should I call the doctor? Should I call the doctor? नहीं, मैं ठीक हूँ. No, I'm fine. No, I'm fine. आप सच कह रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल सच कह रहा हूँ. Yes, I'm absolutely telling the truth. Yes, I'm absolutely telling the truth. चलो अभी इसके बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं. Let's not talk about it right now. Let's not talk about it right now. मैं काफी बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling much better. क्या अब आप कुछ खाना चाहोगे? Would you like to eat something now? Would you like to eat something now? हाँ, कुछ हल्का सा ठीक रहेगा. Yes, something light would be great. Yes, something light would be great. हमारे पास क्या ऑप्शन है? What options do we have? What options do we have? अंदर आओ और आराम करो. Come inside and rest. Come inside and rest. आपने सचमुच मुझे डरा दिया था. You really scared me. You really scared me. ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ था. This had never happened before. This had never happened before. हम इससे सीखेंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे. We'll learn from this and move forward. We'll learn from this and move forward. ये एक नया अनुभव था. This was a new experience. This was a new experience. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह फिर से होगा? Do you think it will happen again? Do you think it will happen again? हम इसके लिए क्या तैयारी कर सकते हैं? How can we prepare for this? How can we prepare for this? मैं 1-2 दिन में आऊंगी. I'll come in a day or two. I'll come in a day or two. आने से पहले मुझे मैसेज कर देना। मैसेज मी बिफोर यू कम। मैसेज मी बिफोर यू कम। कुछ ज़रूरी काम है, मुझे जाना होगा। इट्स समथिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड आई हैव टू गो। इट्स समथिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड आई हैव टू गो। ठीक है, जाओ और अपना काम संभालो। ऑल राइट, गो एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर वर्क। ऑल राइट, गो एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर वर्क। कब तक वापस आओगे? When will you return? When will you return? आपने अपना वादा नहीं निभाया। You didn't keep your promise. You didn't keep your promise. आपने अपना वादा क्यों तोड़ा? Why did you break your promise? Why did you break your promise? मुझे माफ कर दो, यह मेरी गलती थी। Forgive me, it was my mistake. मैं तुम्हें फिर से कैसे खुश कर सकता हूँ? How can I make you happy again?